school run. I use NC55. That is too light. Let me rub you. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this vlog. So I'm all set, ready for school run. This is 1:55 p.m. I'll be leaving by maybe 5 minutes after because I don't want to wait. They usually have a very long queue, and the worst part is that they start bringing the kids out from around 50 minutes after or 60 minutes after 2 or thereabouts. So I don't want to wait. I just want to go pick her and then go to Sephora because I want to go to Sephora. So one of the reasons why I want to go to Sephora is to go look for a different brand of foundation. I've been using MAC since I came to Mexico. I'm kind of like glued to MAC since I came to Mexico. I use Studio Fix. I've been looking for my shade on Studio Radiance, but they don't have it here. The new formula that I bought last year was lighter than the old formula. So just a few months ago, I finished using the old formula, the old one that I had, and I've been wanting to try NARS because I've seen a lot of people using NARS and it's always come out very good. But the only problem here is that I can't even find my shade as well on NARS. I'm just so unlucky here. But yeah, but I have few other ones. I can't even find my shade on Estee Lauder and some other ones that I like. And the ones that I don't like, they always have my shade there. So, but I want to try Glossier. I've seen reviews on their tint foundation, so I want to check them out. Okay, 2 minutes to 2. So yeah, I think that's all for now. Let me just go and wake my baby boy up because he has been sleeping since we came back in the morning, and me on the other side I've been very busy doing my thing. So today is a cloudy, chilled, and a little bit sunny day. Let's just call it cloudy day. So today is cloudy day. So yeah, see you guys later. Off we go. Cool. Hey, that vibe is that. I think at least. Well, Thursday. So I'm here. This is 16 minutes after 4, and they are still here. They're doing something 17 minutes now. Well, hopefully it's not university because cars are almost passed. And if I have passed, it's either I park somewhere, which is always very hard to find where to park at this time, or I'll just turn and come back and stand. So I'm glad I saw the queue time. Now we are moving. Oh my god, I was even coming to like go straight and pick my baby and go. But it's okay, at least it's moving along. I hate to wait, especially if I'm alone. I can wait if maybe I'm with my husband. At least if the baby starts disturbing, I can carry me. But whenever I'm alone, whenever it's just me and the baby, I always let him come a little bit late so that I can pick my baby and then go. Now this is 2:26, 2:25, and we're almost there. just. You didn't say good afternoon. So what happened in your school today? Quiero pasar. Quiero pasar. To do what? Madam, I don't mind that one. I tell.
Why?
Because you don't need it.
I want it.
It's not about what you want, it's about what you need.
I want to eat. I need it.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlogs. So this is the next day and I finally went to Sephora. I didn't go to Sephora yesterday anymore because I was so tired. So okay, my camera is about to fall. Let me position it. This is the new formula foundation. You see it came with pump. Normally they don't usually put pump, so but this one came with pump, which is a welcome development. So I use NC55 and this is brighter than my skin shade. I bought this Reveal the Real. I think it's Sephora collection because they wrote Sephora here. This is 280Y deep and it's darker than my shade, but I just got it so that I can mix it with this one. Let me see if it's gonna work. And I was not able to test this one at the Sephora store because they don't have the wand for testing. So I wanted to buy 270Y, but they don't have it, so I decided to get this one. Let's just see how it goes. This is what this one looks like. So this is tint, this is darker. It's darker than my color, but yeah, this is what it's way darker than my skin. Let me just mix it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, I think this one seems better. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm not an expert in all these things, it's just trial and error. So this is the mark, the new formula mark. It's brighter, and this is the one that I mixed. I mixed this is mark and this Reveal the Real tint foundation. I don't even know if I'm buying mark again. Maybe I'll try a different product because like I told you guys, I've been using this mark since I came to Mexico, and I think it's high time I looked for a new brand. My husband got this yesterday. He ordered it from Amazon. The brand name is Unifull. What is it called? Collapsible foot bath. Upgrade your foot spa experience. So let's see what this looks like and how it works. So what the inside looks like. Foldable, which is very good. You can easily fold it, place this on top. This is the cover. This is very durable and portable as well. I like it. Oh, it's good. Oh, this is the temperature. What is this one? So this is the timer. The temperature is increasing. The temperature is 95. Okay, so for now, this is good. Oh my god, this part is very hot. This part is hot. Okay, so that's for this review. I love this. It's a goodbye. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you all in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Right.
Daddy!
Oh, let me rub you here. Make sure you don't rub it on your clothes. See it's on your skin. Hey.
Daddy, what's this?
Oh God, I've already put now. See, I showed them. So this is the new Formula N55. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Good. Now can you go? Yeah, I hate taking aqua.
I can put it.
Well, can you go so that I can keep my camera? Jesus, we're gonna be at YD, but they don't have it in store, but they have it online. So, oh God, this is not it though.